Alright guys, good morning. Good morning Mar, good morning Mr. B. Good morning Rod. Is it? Oy! My first catch guys. Let me see, what can I do? Back to my spot with another specimen, but I call Ricto, but he don't answer my phone guys. That's why I decide to go only myself. Oh, by myself. Oh, by myself anymore. Oop, 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 oop. Oh wow, that's the one I like this place guys, because this spot is big size. Honest to you guys. Alright, good morning mama. By the way guys, I'm so very sorry because my magic bucket not yet water guys, nothing water. Alright, that's why, woo, yes, you wait guys, you wait. And this is my bucket guys. Alright, okay, I'm back to mama. Mama mamiha, mama mamiha. Alright, this is my first catch na tayo. Let me see. Thank you lang guys, continuous natin. Let's go, and thank you for watching yesterday. But I catching that maputi. I don't video guys, but maybe this time. Alright, continuous ko lang guys. Another one. Let me see, what can I do? Sana yun? Dito na pala sa tabi, pero medyo malayo-layo pa, kaya yun, dito na siya guys. Parating na si mama Mia. Okay, so it's not scammer guys. Oop. Oh, relax. Ano siya guys, big size naman guys. It's not scammer si Papa Jill guys. Kapon ay catching only, honest to goodness guys, 7 pieces of maputi with the what do you call this one, the big sword piece. Ayan guys, saglit lang guys, yan, alright, kuntis natin guys. So pera pa naman tayo guys. Yan, ano yun? Dito. Mama. Ayun, laki ni mama guys. Yan. Ito na mama. Yan. Tapos nakuha natin si mama guys. High tide na guys, going to high tide. Alright, kuntis na natin guys kung anong blessing sa atin ngayon to dito. Kasi nawala natin, I lose my all my hook. I using the big one because I don't have car to buy the hook to going to the fishing tacticals. Kaya magtyaga lang tayo sa isang hook dito guys. Okay, so another one. Oop. Ayun guys, saan yun? Ayun, ay may alalay guys. Sorry, I take it this one. May alalay ka guys, may isa. May follower. Wala niya, may subscriber yun guys. May kasunod siyang isa, huli natin. I make it already 1, 2, 3, 4. This already we have 4 already guys, kuntis natin. Guys, another one Oop. Malakas to guys. Sana yun guys. Malakas si mama. Ay, malaki pala si mama guys. Mama. Super laki ni mama. Relax mama. Dahil si Ricto guys, nandito guys. Ayun si Ricto. Hi Ricto. Ayan guys, oh. At least malaki to guys. Ayan, nahuli natin guys, oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 guys. Not bad. Bigyan to myself na lang guys. Continuous natin guys. Alright, mama, sorry for you. Continuous back. Mama. Guys, oh. 2 lovers guys, oh. The 2 lovers stingray. Advance happy Valentine's daw guys. You know. Yan, the 2 lovers. Advance happy Valentine's. Ano lang nila guys, ka-enjoy lang nila ngayon lang. Okay. Bye, happy Valentine's. Sana yun. Wow, malaki yata to guys. Oh, malaki to Rick to. Ito. Mama. Oo. The name of God. Thank you. Sorry but thank you. I understand you guys. I believe the God is powerful to you. But I'm sure I'm really fishing this place. And please helping me. I'm poor people. Okay? Alright. Good try guys. Guys, another one, oh. You see. Dito, lakas. Malakas, guys. Yan na. Okay, mama. Ayan, guys, oh. Sirik to, guys, oh. Ayan, guys, oh. Laki yata, guys. Naku, malaking papakol, guys, oh. Hindi. Maputi guys. Kala ko guys, papakot. First time natin nakahuli dito sa lugar dito guys. Yung sirik to guys, oh. Kaya dandahan slowly to go back to the spatan guys. Alright. Yan guys, huli natin, oh. But sorry for Rick to guys. Kahit isa, wala na, tawag siya. At least still have catching guys. Alright, purchase tayo guys. Okay, si Rick to guys, oh. Hi Rick to! Oh, puno yung galon niya guys, oh.
Puno
That's the one, si Rick to guys. Ito naman sa ating guys, oh. Kahit paano, mag-share naman tayo kay Rick to. Kasi nakuha yung mermaid. Ayun po yung isang mermaid to guys, oh. Alright, enjoy tayo guys. Salamat guys. See you soon. Another catching again guys. Wala na guys yung naputol. Maybe I have time na buy the hook again for my fishing again guys. Alright.